How's it going, everyone? You're watching the Green Dream Project. We're headed to Sierra Vista today with Jessica and crew. We're headed to Sierra Vista, the Home Depot. We're about to put in an order for the materials for our rain roof. Nice.
And it's raining.
And it's raining. So I just finished up here at Thunder Mountain Metal Sales, LLC. A big shout out to Joe from Homestead for turning me on to this. This is where I'm picking up my metal sheeting for the for our epic rain roof. I'm gonna stop calling it a detached carport, it's a rain roof. Thunder Mountain. I'm one step closer now to getting the materials needed for this epic project. 74 sheets, 10 feet, Galvalume metal roofing.
Yeah, don't get overzealous on me now. Hang on. Okay. A little less. My hand can't handle it.
All right. So what you just saw was Josh from Thunder Mountain Metal. It's a little north of Sierra Vista. If you ever need metal roofing in Southeast Arizona, go check them out because they got really excellent pricing for metal roofing. Probably even better than you can get at the big box stores. As you can see here, I got 74 sheets of 29 gauge Galvalume metal roofing. That is quite a lot of metal roofing, and I got that, the metal roofing, the 74 sheets of the Galvalume metal roofing, plus 8 bags of screws. I got it all for a little over $1,700. I'll get into all the price specifics a little later on, just to let everyone know exactly what the total cost of everything was. I'll get that added up, and then I'll make sure to include that in the cost. But this project is about to get underway. So I'm over here sitting on top of my lumber. I want to talk a little bit about Home Depot. Now, I've been getting a lot of my lumber at Lowe's because when I go into Sierra Vista, it happens to be right there. I ended up doing some price shopping, and I went to Home Depot, and I seen that just about everything that I needed for this project was cheaper at Home Depot. So I'm like, this is where I gotta get my stuff from. And I've also talked to Lowe's about what their shipping was. They do ship over here to where we are, but I think it was like $175. I think it was about $175 for them to ship it, which I was like, that's quite a bit, but I guess, you know, they're shipping whatever you need, get it all in that one shot. Now I went to Home Depot and their shipping was $95. So I'm like, not only was the materials cheaper, but then shipping was cheaper. Oh. So that was cool, and major props to them. I was able to work it out where not only did they give me a little discount on top of all that for the materials, but they comped the shipping. So I got all that stuff here I got it for free, or I got it shipped here for free. If I got all the materials for free, that would be quite the bargain. Well, it's all covered up, but there's a lot of lumber under there. And all that sheet metal, 74 sheets, it's on. I can't wait to get this project started. All right, thanks a lot for joining us, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please do, because you got to see how this all develops. And share it with a friend or two, because they love rain roofs, trust me. All right, thanks a lot for joining me, everyone. Catch you on the next video. Bye.